If you're visiting Jeffersonville, Indiana, your visit would not be complete without a trip to Schimpff's Confectionary. Started here in 1891 by Gustav Schimpff, it's a deli, candy store, museum, and candy factory widely known for its red hots and candy canes, not to mention chocolate, caramel, and pecan-centered treats. Just looking through the windows, it's hard to see how surprisingly huge this place really is. It takes up three 1800s era buildings, and those go back a fair piece. It's massive. Once you're inside, it's like walking back in time and feels like it was transported from old New York City. In the very back is the Candy Museum. Old types of candy, candy dispensers, and machines that made candy are here.
Putting it in front of the other bed. We're going to make some big canes first.
But the crowd favorite is watching the candy being made. If you come by at Christmas, you can see beautiful candy canes being made from scratch and smell peppermint in the air. Amazingly, this is where a candy cane starts its life. A large mass of beautiful red and white material is stretched and stretched again to make candy canes of different sizes. You only have so much time to stretch the candy cane and bend it into shape. Still a family business, handed down from generation to generation. Schimpff's Confectionary is open Mondays through Saturdays, waiting to fill the sweet tooth and nostalgia in all of us.